This app's appears show you
How to change alarm sound on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to change your alarm sound. Go ahead and launch your clock app. And here select alarms. And now, for example, I want to change sound for this alarm. So I'm going to tapping on this alarm. Once you are in the edit alarm page, here tap on sound. And now from this list you can pick a different sound for the alarm. Then tap on back and tap on save. And if you have multiple alarms created and you want to set different sounds for different alarms, you can follow these same steps to do it. Let's edit this alarm sound, and you can pick a different sound from here. Tap on save, and this is how we can change alarm sound on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.